So you just built yourself a custom motor plate. Now you need to know where to drill your holes. If you look carefully, you can see a couple of dimple marks there. One here with a straight edge. I've determined this black Sharpie line here to be my most optimal point for starting with, based upon how the motor sits inside this custom transmission. Now I need to transfer the motor mount holes to here. I'm going to show you very crude but very easy how to get that done. So you got your motor. You can grab yourself a piece of scrap, preferably sturdy. And you're just going to come over here. Let's see if I can get the lighting just right. Let's go on this side right here. Might have to, so you're going to ascribe the end. Focus. Right here. Focus right there. There you go. It does not like shiny stuff. But anyway, so I ascribed the end of it there. And as you can see, there's another one there. And then I put another little tick mark right there where the screw hole is, and another one right here where the screw hole is. So if we line up the end of the bow housing, there it is. That's a very rough approximation without having to use any math, any measuring devices. So now I got the outside width marked this line, and then I got a screw hole here. Where is it? Hard to see on camera. Screw hole there. Maybe hard to discern that. But there it is. And then the outside of the bell housing. So just line everything back up. And we end up with something like that. And you may have to slide this up or down. Obviously, if you slide it too far down, it's beyond the can of your motor. So now, get everything happy, at least by eyeball. Draw a little line across, draw a little line across, and draw a little line down, which happens to be this line here. Draw a little line down, which happens to be that line there, which I don't know why that one's so much more difficult to see, but there it is right there. Then put a little dimple with a punch. Then I would start with 2 of the 6 screws. You probably don't need all 6 screws in this particular case, but I would start with 2 of them. In my particular case, I'm going to go from N to N or N to N, any 2 opposing screws, and that's where I'm going to start. Then I'm going to reinsert it back into the drill motor case and see if everything lines back up. And I might have to remove some material accordingly because there will be a screw on the back side of this plate that might interfere with some of this plastic right here. I don't know. If I get lucky, it'll get right in between any one of these 2 places.